What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Lucid Motors. Once again, that's Lucid Motors with a ticker symbol LCID. Guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about a lot of things. One especially is this 7 electric vehicle stocks to buy on the dip according to Investor Place. And the second one, which is Lucid advances global sustainability vision, announcing new details for first overseas manufacturing facility with partners in Saudi Arabia. So there's a lot of things we could talk about today, guys, regarding Lucid Motors. One especially being that Lucid Motors finds this opportunity to actually expand their production overseas, also locally in the US. So guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going.
Lucid is really a great investment. We invested in the company in 2018, and we've deployed $1.3 billion of new cash. We built the factory in Arizona, the head office in San Francisco. We helped the turnaround story of Lucid, which was really a good thing. It's a different category. It's luxury. I think in 2023 they will start with their SUVs, and after that with the more compact cars at the lower price range.
So guys, this article is from Investor Place that was posted 15 hours ago. It says here, Lucid made headlines when it claimed that its Air vehicle has a longer range than Tesla. The Lucid Air Edition began deliveries in the late October, and the business sold 125 cars in the fourth quarter. In Q1 2022, they sold another 360 cars. So that's the according to the first paragraph here. And also at the end of the first quarter, there were 30,000 customer reservations totaling $2.9 billion. In 2022, the business reiterated its production target of 12,000 up to 14,000 units. In April, Lucid announced a 10-year deal the 10-year deal to supply the Saudi government with 100,000 vehicles. Earlier this year, the corporation announced plans to develop an electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia. So which is really cool, guys. I think with the Lucid expanding their facility, right, it only means that they will speed up their production plans. Also, Lucid stock has lost momentum and is down around 54% year to date. The average analyst's price target of 30.25 suggests a 72% upside, guys. Okay, so most likely we'll have more of those once we hear back from Lucid regarding their production progress. So guys, if you think that the good news stops there, okay, keep in mind, okay, so this article is from Lucid Insider. So it says here, Lucid Motors buys 120 acres for $17.3 million to expand in Casa Grande. So guys, this article is was posted today, okay, yesterday, May 17th, as you can see here. Okay, so Lucid Motors has purchased 2 lots of land in Casa Grande, Arizona, near the current Lucid Motors factory. Okay, so since they want the everything to be built in-house, okay, and of course they want everything to be built close to their plant, besides the one that they are planning to do in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so they have also purchased another land in Casa Grande, somewhere in Casa Grande, Arizona. Okay, so it says here that they spent $7.5 million for southwest of Thornton Road and W.E. Peters Road in Casa Grande, okay, and near the Walmart distribution center on May 2 of 2022, and $9.8 million for SWCW Selma Highway and S Thornton Road in Casa Grande, somewhere around there, on May 17 of 2022. That is a total of $17.3 million for these 2 vacant pieces of land. Okay, so that's good news. It only means that Lucid is definitely ramping up their production in the future. But guys, the good news doesn't end there, okay, because we have a new article today from Cision. It says here, Lucid advances global sustainability vision, announcing new details for first overseas manufacturing facility with partners in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so it says here, with local capacity of 155,000 units, Lucid's new facility will bring advanced electric car manufacturing to Saudi Arabia for the first time. The new Saudi facility is planned to meet global demand for Lucid electric vehicles by raising the company's global production capacity to 500,000 EVs per year by the middle of the decade, so around 2025. Supports Saudi Arabia's economic reform through Saudi Vision 2030 and the Saudi Green Initiative. The signing event commemorates deals worth up to $3.4 billion in finance and incentives to Lucid over the next 15 years. So guys, this it only means that the Saudi Arabia is also working hard in their green initiative for the next for 2030, before 2030, and with this, with the help of Lucid also. Although they could have, we don't know how many plants do they have, but of course, with Lucid working with Saudi Arabia right now in order for them to pursue their green initiative, that's really cool. It only means that Saudi, even before, guys, during the CCIV SPAC, everybody knows that the Lucid Motors is being backed by the Saudi government. Saudi Arabia's government has reaffirmed its intention to buy up to 100,000 Lucid electric vehicles over the next 10 years. So guys, also in the same article, it says here that the Abdulaziz Al Hilaisi Group CEO of GIB commented, GIB is proud to be a part of this important step to develop sustainable transportation in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and support the transition away from fossil fuels. This is a great opportunity for Lucid and for Saudi Arabia and captures the spirit vision of 2030. GIB believes that green and sustainable finance can be a force for good, and we are committed to a sustainable future. So guys, keep in mind that if you go to fintel.io, we can clearly see that there's a lot of institutional investors who have just updated and placed new positions with Lucid Motors. If we scroll up here, this is for Lucid institutional ownership. We have 601 total, 546 long only, 27 which short only, and 28 long and short at the same time. And of course, guys, this is very bullish for this quarter, although we are in a bearish market conditions. With all these articles I mentioned in my video, I'd like to thank Jasmine LCID OG. Okay, I've been looking at her tweets, and it's really cool. She provides updates every now and then regarding Lucid Motors. Jasmine OG, okay, LCID OG, and also this guy here, Naresh Kumar. Okay, Naresh Kumar, thank you so much. But I'd like to remind everybody that we will be, I personally think, this is just my personal opinion, that we will stay in these kinds of price levels for a bit because of the ongoing Lucid S3 filing. This is actually an S3 filing, right? Because this share offering, it's like a mixed shelf, okay, that's that they have to distribute before we can go to the next leg up. Like I said, we could be in a demand zone right now, okay, so we will check that later on with the charts according to Webull. So guys, this is the daily time frame of Lucid Motors LCID. Okay, as you can see, we have a volume right now of 7.98 million, which is not bad. Although our average volume, it's just the we are just in the second or third hour of the trading period, right? So according to Webull, our average volume over the past 3 months is 25.60 million, but our volume right now is almost 8 million. Okay, which is really cool. Like I said earlier, okay, so we are in a demand zone right now, and as soon as we're done with the share offering that's ongoing right now with Lucid, I strongly believe that the Lucid stock price will definitely go up. Okay, so if you draw a horizontal line here, our next resistance will be around $20. Okay, around $20. This will be in your daily time frame. But if you go on your 4-hour time frame, guys, it's a very bullish, definitely 100%. Okay, because if we didn't have the S3 filing, if we didn't have any dilution, we could be trading at around $25 or $24 right now. Okay, so as you can see, even if you're in your 4-hour time frame, okay, so our RSI is only 54 and your MACD is crawling on the leg up. So we are bound for a retrace, like I said, ladies and gentlemen. But okay, the only thing that's pulling us back is, number one, our bearish market situation, okay, and second is the ongoing S3 filing. Once the dilution is done, okay, I think, or like I said a while ago, we are bound for a retrace on the leg up. Okay, guys, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.